What's something that the trades taught you that doesn't have to do with tools or electricity?
Do it right the first time. Yeah, making sure that if it's wiring a panel, if it's bending conduit, measure twice, cut once. Nicole, when was the first time that you realized that you were actually good at being an electrician?
For me personally, I think there's always so much more you can know doing electrical. Yeah, even when you're like super confident, there's just always more you can know.
Of course, there's always something that we can learn, but specifically, what are you best at? How about that? There has to be that one thing.
I don't know, I'm good at a lot of different things.
You see, we're making some progress here.
That's a tough question to ask me though, because I have really low like self-esteem, I guess.
I'm sorry to
We're
hear
getting
that.
too deep.
Hold on, wait a second. Let's run this in. And is it self-esteem based on you, or is it your trade? Me as a person, I always second guess my decisions as a dad, as a provider. But when it comes to my industry, no one does what I do the way I do it. Like, I am the GOAT at access control, and there's a million other people that do access control. I'm always the person they call to fix a lock that's not operating correctly. So, of course, we have our personal problems and our issues. But like, as far as like what I do to provide, no one's touched me at what I do.
I wish I had that confidence.